I'm supposed to start, yeah. What's up, creepy creatures of the night? My name is Slenderman239, and welcome back to Mario Kart.
Over. No, not down. Over. Down, then over 3 times. No, I'm kidding.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 3.
Math. No, dude, actually let me pick. I was like,
For God's sake, well then
I was going to the mushroom.
Shrooms.
Mushrooms. Sweet. Can. Since we all know you're hungry.
I just want to know what's sad.
What?
Today, I realized that the cones in this game are actually ice cream cones that you went into on that part.
You know what I kind of wish now? If I had scheduled this right to make my 300th video on the 4th of July.
A little late for that.
Yeah. Oh, I tried to hit you. That was a bad idea.
Did you throw that shot backwards?
So. Anna.
She was whining. Did y'all not hear that?
Weird. See, look, ice cream cones.
Turn purple. Okay, no purple.
Alrighty.
So if you guys couldn't tell by this point, I
sucks at
suck.
Mario Kart. You know that if you throw that, you won't hit me, right?
I know. For a minute. For now.
Of course, I get the coin.
Oh, you
And I
get
by
it
the
so
chainsaw. I still have enough time.
I...
Epic dodging skills. Ow! Scratch that.
Epic dodging skills, huh?
Get you.
You ran into that one.
Oh yeah, but guess what? I'm not using the safety stick.
Don't judge me.
Why do I get nothing but coins?
Oh god, I almost got hit by my own shell.
Hey, I know trajectory. Trust. I got hit by my own banana. You just hate it. Don't you guys just hate it?
No, but I found it hilarious how you said that in the moment of saying, I know my own trajectory. You gotta pause.
No, they can wait. We're very important people. My God! I fall off the edge. Hold on. Would you pause this video for a moment? We'll be back. Oh, God damn it.
And back!
Go!
Oh crap, I wasn't holding the button.
Oh no, it would be such a horrible thing.
I only say that because I'm actually beating you for a few seconds. Yes!
Are you still making a video?
Yes!
Oh, you see that 6 shortcut? Yeah. I know, you jelly, bro.
I bet there's jelly somewhere in here.
Yeah, probably. PB and just kidding.
Oh, dude, I want to use this so badly, the boomerang.
Well, you gotta get me first. Tonk.
Dude, you know what I kind of wish you could do?
Tonk.
Like, just jump and go to the lower track, though. You know what I mean?
You can if you drift correctly, I believe. What, you mean like switch tracks?
Yeah, no, not like that. Like, skip the whole mountain there. Right there. Like, you know, because
do a little hop over the
yeah.
part? That'd be interesting. You should have gone through the donut.
Probably.
Because if you use the mushroom, you can drift and then turn into it.
We all know I suck anyway. We might actually have time for another few games in this anyway. Because
Yeah,
we're only at
actually,
2 minutes.
Oh, we'll see.
I still don't think you
Alright,
just
so I
said we'll
choose
see.
the last one.
No, I choose the last one. You chose the other ones.
What are you talking about?
Remember when I was making that joke about up, down, up, down?
Uptown,
oh.
funk you up.
Uptown, funk you up.
Whoa, I'm falling over. Oh god, my throat hurts after that.
After this, I'm going to be showing, on my channel, there's going to be a video showing you guys how our setup is in our room. With me recording and him
I've never, oh my god,
living.
look, it actually has signs to other courses.
That's cool.
I've never actually played this level, so I have no idea what to expect. Shoot all your bombs away.
Shoot all your bums away. Grab your gun, now you're having fun. Shoot all your bums away. Thomas Cat. Thank you.
Whoa, hello! Train! Oh, I hear that train a-coming. It's running me over. Hey, maybe we'll see the Ninja Turtles.
Maybe. I live in a sewer, not a subway.
I failed to see your point.
Oh! Blocked! Who just got blocked? You just got blocked. Did you just... Oh, like I said, I'm a family channel. I've never cussed once in my life. Oh, dude, I just blew up the toads.
Let me explain to you why that's bullshit.
No, dude, I just threw the bomb into the trolls. Not the trolls, the toads.
Wow.
I mean, they look like trolls.
You are a troll.
I know. On the inside and out.
I know, have you seen that face?
It's beautiful.
It's terrifying.
I am beautiful. I know I am. And don't you dare take away the reputation that I was given when I was a kid. That reputation was, you are ugly, so stop even trying. Did I just take away my own item?
I don't know, did you?
I think I just did. But when I spawned the ghost, I became invisible for a few seconds, and my item left. I just took my own item.
Oh, trains. Trains everywhere! True!
Now let's try this again. Is it still taking my item? Are you not seeing it? It's taking my item.
Is it giving you infinite mushroom?
Oh, it's giving me a mushroom.
Maybe that's what happens when you can't get an item at that moment. Because every time you've done it, I've been cycling through to get my items.
Dude, I'm still flying.
Yeah, boy.
I was so close.
No, you weren't.
It wasn't.
You really weren't. That's a nice stage. I enjoyed that.
Owned! Okay, that round took way longer than the other one, because now we're at 7 minutes.
Wow, well then. Alright, people, I think that's about all the time we got. I guess first we'll see who won. I actually don't know who won.
Neither do I.
Oh, hey!
Eric won! Oh! Discord wins!
Oh, no, it doesn't even show. So
Feel the burn!
we'll let him have this moment. He's choking me! Oh, wait! He's strangling me on camera!
Bye. Bye.